Yo, what's up, guys? It's Crazy Man Walk, and today we'll be playing Viola the Bird. So now we're gonna launch experiment. Sorry, I missed. Eh, Okay, steadily. So these are notes. So what? This is Ode to Joy. Never heard about this song before. So three, two, one, I listen. Let me check my volume. Okay. So guys, I watched finally key and later will be there. We can do this. Just repeat then you sing with me. Cool, I think. But the video looks worse from your view because of the app I'm using. So now let's choose freestyle. This song is that you can hear is seasonal Santi. I don't think you guys can hear it. My brother's watching it, okay? This freestyle we can record our performance. Not gonna do that. So let's just do this. Okay, let's try and make a song. Yeah. This song sounds very what song was that? So guys, here it is. I've been practicing for 5 minutes. Now let's record one of it. I'm not gonna send it. Perfect, guys. 15. It shows it back. Okay, so let's hear this. Like I said, I'm not gonna share it. 100% I'm not gonna share it. Even though I am seriously sharing it right now. So